Welcome, explorers of the unexplained, to a story to tell. Tonight, we embark on a thrilling voyage into the heart of the Bermuda Triangle, a shadowy region whispered to be a breeding ground for the bizarre and unexplained. This documentary delves deeper than ever before, dissecting the facts, untangling the fiction, and exploring the captivating stories that fuel this legend. We'll navigate the murky waters of scientific explanations, confront the allure of fringe theories, and ultimately ponder the enduring human fascination with the mysteries of the deep. The Bermuda Triangle. Just the name sends shivers down your spine, right? Ships and planes vanishing without a trace, leaving behind only an eerie silence. It's the stuff of nightmares and Hollywood movies. The most famous case? Probably Flight 19, those 5 Navy bombers that disappeared in 1945. Their last messages talked about weird compass readings and the ocean itself acting strange. Spooky for sure. Then there's the USS Eldridge, the destroyer rumored to have vanished in a Philadelphia experiment gone wrong. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi flick, right? Well, hold on a sec. Turns out there's not a lot of evidence to back that story up. But hey, it's a fun one to tell around the campfire, right? These disappearances and many others have built up this whole legend around the Bermuda Triangle. Even old maritime charts from the 1500s mentioned weird stuff happening there, like whirlpools and fiery skies. Sounds like the plot of a pirate movie, but it just goes to show that people have been wondering about this place for a long, long time. Okay, so the Bermuda Triangle might have a reputation as the graveyard of the Atlantic, but hold on. A lot of these disappearances can be explained by some pretty normal stuff. This region is notorious for crazy weather. We're talking sudden storms that pop up out of nowhere, hurricanes strong enough to toss a ship like a toy, and waterspouts that could suck you right up into the sky. Okay, maybe not that last one, but still dangerous. Plus, the ocean is just vast, folks. Like, ridiculously vast. So, the chances of something bad happening and then nobody noticing are pretty high. It's like losing your phone in a giant parking lot. Sometimes things just get lost in the shuffle. Alright, so maybe there aren't giant squids snatching whole ships, although wouldn't that be a movie? But that doesn't mean the Bermuda Triangle is a walk in the park. Science has some interesting theories about what might be going on down there. Methane mayhem. Imagine giant underwater bubbles of gas erupting from the seabed, powerful enough to sink a ship. These things are called methane hydrates, and they're real. They could displace the water a ship needs to float, or even explode with enough force to cause some serious damage. Not exactly a welcoming committee. Rogue wave roulette. These monster waves can rise up out of nowhere, packing a serious punch. They're a known danger for ships in this region, and encountering one could spell disaster. Imagine a wall of water towering over your ship, not exactly a comforting thought. See, even without monsters, there are real dangers lurking in the depths. Alright folks, let's get real for a sec. The Bermuda Triangle might be known for the spooky stuff, but sometimes the answer is a lot less exciting: human error. We've all gotten lost using bad directions, right? Imagine navigating a vast ocean with less sophisticated equipment than we have today. A compass acting weird during a storm could seriously mess with a pilot, leading them off course. Then there's the pressure of deadlines and making quick decisions. Maybe a captain pushed their luck a little too far, trying to make good time in bad weather. We all make mistakes, and at sea, those mistakes can have serious consequences. So, the Bermuda Triangle might not be a supernatural hotspot, but that doesn't mean it's not fascinating. There's something weirdly captivating about a place where the lines between fact and fiction blur, right? It's like a giant unanswered question mark in the middle of the ocean. Think about it. We stare up at the stars and wonder what's out there. We explore caves filled with bats because there's something thrilling about the unknown. The Bermuda Triangle taps into that same sense of wonder. It's a reminder that there are still mysteries left in the world, places that haven't been fully explored or explained. And hey, that's pretty cool, don't you think? The good news is, the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle aren't set in stone. Technology is helping us piece together the puzzle. Imagine having a super-powered underwater X-ray. That's basically what advanced sonar equipment is like. Scientists can now map the ocean floor in way more detail than ever before. This could lead to finding shipwrecks that might shed light on past disappearances or even reveal previously unknown geographical features that could be contributing to the weirdness of the region. Plus, with improved weather forecasting models, ships and planes can avoid dangerous weather patterns altogether. It's like having a super accurate weather app for the entire ocean. And don't forget about better communication systems. With enhanced satellite communication, it's easier to track vessels and get help to those in distress much faster. So, the Bermuda Triangle might not be the monster lurking in the deep that some stories make it out to be. But it's a real place with real challenges, and with the help of science and technology, we're slowly unraveling its secrets. Alright folks, buckle up because we're about to head down the rabbit hole: conspiracy theories. The Bermuda Triangle has its fair share of wild ideas, and hey, they can be fun to chat about even if they're probably not true. Atlantis Rising, this one's a classic. The lost city rising from the depths to snatch ships and planes? Sounds like something out of an Indiana Jones movie, right? While there's evidence of ancient civilizations, there's no proof Atlantis ever existed, let alone decided to become a jerk and start messing with ships. Time travel portals, maybe the Bermuda Triangle is a gateway to different times or realities. Whoa, trippy. Now, this one is pure science fiction. Time travel is a complex theory with a lot of unanswered questions, and there's no evidence to suggest it exists, let alone manifests as a swirling vortex in the ocean. Look, conspiracy theories are fun to think about, but it's important to remember they're just that, theories. There's usually no scientific evidence to back them up. But hey, they spark our imagination and make for some entertaining conversation, right? The Bermuda Triangle might be the most famous ocean mystery, but it's not the only one. The vastness of the ocean holds countless secrets, and other regions have their own share of spooky stories. The Devil's Sea, off the coast of Japan, this area is known for its unpredictable currents and sudden storms. Sailors whisper tales of monstrous waves and the wrath of the dragon gods. Sounds intense, right? The Dragon's Triangle, located in the Pacific, this region is said to have magnetic anomalies that mess with ships' navigation. Maybe it's dragons messing with compasses, or maybe it's something else entirely. Who knows? The point is, the ocean is a mysterious place, and the Bermuda Triangle is just one piece of the puzzle. There's so much more to discover and explore, and that's what makes it so fascinating. The Bermuda Triangle may not be a supernatural vortex, but it is a real and challenging maritime environment. While fringe theories abound, scientific exploration continues to unlock the secrets of this region. The Bermuda Triangle serves as a reminder that the ocean remains a vast and mysterious frontier, a place where the line between fact and fiction can sometimes blur. That's it for tonight, folks. We've taken a deep dive into the Bermuda Triangle, explored the science, the spooky stories, and even indulged in some fun conspiracy theories. The mysteries of the ocean continue to capture our imagination, and with new technology emerging all the time, who knows what secrets we might uncover next. What do you think about the Bermuda Triangle? Like and subscribe to the Quotes Goat channel on YouTube so you can support us to give you more content.